As our expert Oliver Stoner, owner of an independent Mercedes Benz workshop, says, the Mercedes Benz S63 AMG and its more powerful brother, the S65, are bought only by lunatics or people like him with the skills to maintain the car. The second qualification rules out most of us, but the first? Right, let's have a closer look, then. Both versions were launched in 2006, the S65 ahead of the S63. The S65 has a 6.0-liter biturbo V12 producing 603 bhp and 737 pounds-feet, enough to hurl the 2,300 kilograms limo from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.4 sec. It was the world's most powerful production saloon when new, and was offered in long wheelbase form only. See Mercedes-Benz S63 AMG for sale on piston heads. Of course, this being an S-Class, the occupants must be unaware of the car's startling progress, which is why it was fitted with the latest version of Mercedes's active body control suspension system. The 3-stage dampers offer comfort, sport, and manual modes. New, an S65 cost £145,000. Today, you can buy a 2006 example with a solid 200,000 miles under its 19 inches 5-spoke alloy wheels for £17,000 before haggling. Just one owner too. Keep a few bob back for fuel. Expect around 10 miles per gallon in spark plugs. There are 24 and they take 4.5 hours to change. The S65 is actually pretty rare. Not so, the S63. This time, it's a naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 with 518 bhp and 465 pounds-feet under that long bonnet, sufficient for 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.6 sec. The trouble is, it's all a bit breathless, where the V12 is full-fat torque. No worries. Mercedes had a plan, which it hatched in 2010 with the arrival of a new S63 fitted with a twin-turbo 5.5-liter V8 producing 536 bhp, but an even more impressive and appropriate 590 pounds-feet. Now that's more like it, and if you can stretch to one, it's the version to buy. Not only will it give the S65 a run for its money, but it's also 25% lighter on the juice than the old S63 and cheaper to tax. Well, £15 cheaper. It came in long wheelbase form only, whereas the 6.2 was offered in that as well as standard length. New, the 6.2-liter S63 cost £95,000 before options, and today you'll find used ones from around £15,000 all the way to £28,000 for a late 2010 reg car with around 50,000 miles. However, if that's your budget, we recommend you cast around for a 2011 reg 5.5-liter S63. Prices start at around £28,000 for one with reasonable mileage, a useful saving on the £109,000 price when new. The other big event in the life of the high-performance S-Class came in 2009, when the range was facelifted. In came new driver assist systems, including Night View Assist Plus and Pre-Safe Collection Protection. Regardless of the car's age, you can expect to find all manner of luxuries, including wood, full leather, and powered and heated seats. The great thing is that what a clutch of options would have cost you 8 years ago could be sufficient to buy the entire car today. How to get one in your garage? An expert's view. Oliver Stoner, Prestige Car Services, who buys an S63 or S65. Lunatics are people with a specialist garage, like me. They're used cars now, but they're £100,000 used cars with telephone number running costs. Fortunately, there are lots of good Mercedes specialists around who can maintain the model for half the price a main dealer will charge. When you're looking at one on a dealer forecourt, here's what to do. Check the tires are quality, check there are no lips on the brake discs, and the pads have lots of life. Check it feels nice and tight on the test drive, and check the service history is immaculate. All good? Get it inspected. For £75, we put it on a ramp, run a diagnostics check that works. It could save you a bomb. Buyer beware. Engine: tough and oil-tight, but failure of the turbo actuators is not unknown. Both the V8 and V12 drink Mobil 10W40 oil. Check the level and keep checking. Inspect the condition of the V8's rear cylinder head bolts. Ignition system: check for a misfire, because it could be the coils. There are 2 coil packs for the V12, but they're around 1,000 pounds each. The V8 has 1 coil pack per cylinder, and they're 60 pounds each. You can save money by having the packs refurbished. Spark plugs need changing roughly every 4 years. The V8 has 8 plugs, which take 1.5 hours to change.